Many people don't speak English because they lack words. They lack confidence. ઘણા લોકો ઇંગ્લિશ વર્ડના કારણે નહીં, કોન્ફિડન્સના કારણે ઇંગ્લિશ બોલી શકતા નથી. હેલો એવરીવન, I am Pragna Patel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you 5-step formula that changed many English learners' lives. So let's start. Step number 1. Confidence start with your ears. Start listening to English minimum 5 minutes a day. રોજ 5 મિનિટ લિસનિંગ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરો. એ તમારો કોન્ફિડન્સ વધારશે. You don't need a big course. Just a small exposure builds big confidence. વધારે મહેનતની જરૂર નથી. નાના નાના સ્ટેપથી શરૂઆત કરો. You can start one short story, one small news, one motivational video. Start your day with just 5 minutes English. Now next step. To speaking English confidently, you must hear yourself speaking English. આત્મવિશ્વાસથી ઇંગ્લિશ બોલવા માટે પહેલા તમને તમારો અવાજ ઇંગ્લિશમાં સાંભળવો પડશે. Now shadow practice. Try this. I say a line and you repeat with me. Example, I can speak good English. First start slow, then fast. Confidence will rise out naturally. Now mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Talk to yourself in English. આ પ્રેક્ટિસથી તમારી બોડી લેંગ્વેજ અને તમારું વોઇસ કોન્ફિડન્સ બંને બૂસ્ટ થાય છે. નાઉ નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ. If you repeat the same 5 sentences daily for 7 days, your confidence will double. Let's practice some sentence. I can speak English confidently. I am improving every day. English is easy for me. I speak without fear. I learn from my mistakes. Practice these 5 sentences every day with full energy. Record these 5 lines today. This will create your confidence loop. આ 5 લાઇન્સ આજે જ રેકોર્ડ કરો. તે તમારો કોન્ફિડન્સ લૂપ બિલ્ડ કરશે. નેક્સ્ટ વન. Reset your fear. Mistake doesn't stop you. Fear stop you. Whenever you make mistake, say this line immediately. I am learning. Mistakes are normal. And remember, no one speaking perfect English, not even native speakers. Last and most important, to speaking English confidently, start speaking for 10 seconds daily. Try this mini conversation. How was your day? It was good. I learned something new. Start small, but start today. So guys, remember, confidence isn't something wait for. Confidence is something built. આ 5 સ્ટેપ્સ જો તમે દરરોજ ફોલો કરશો તો ઇંગ્લિશ તમને ડરાવશે નહીં. You can speak English confidently. I believe in you. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more English motivational videos. Take care and goodbye.